there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're comparing two budget-friendly drones that promise to make you feel like a pro pilot, even if you can't tell your DJI from your DIY. On the left, we've got the ATTOP Drone W10, and on the right, the SOTAONE S350. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. All right, first things first, the price. Because let's be honest, most of us are ballin' on a budget. The ATTOP W10 comes in at $69, while the SOTAONE S350 is just $59. Yep, the S350 is cheaper, but hey, don't go running off to buy it just yet. Remember, cheaper doesn't always mean better. Sometimes it just means you'll be crying yourself to sleep when it breaks. Now, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP W10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera with a 120 degrees view. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a mini helicopter. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 also flaunts a 1080p camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. So if you're into taking those dramatic aerial selfies, the W10 has got you covered with that extra wide-angle shot. The S350, on the other hand, wants you to work for your angles. It's like the personal trainer of drones. Next up, let's see how beginner-friendly these bad boys are. The ATTOP W10 is basically the drone equivalent of a babysitter. Toss to launch, one key takeoff landing, and altitude hold. It practically flies itself. It's perfect for kids and adults who still need to read the instructions on a microwave. Now, the SOTAONE S350 isn't slacking either. It's got altitude hold, one key takeoff, land, and headless mode. It's like a drone that's lost its head but still knows which way is up. And with 3 speed modes, you can go from Grandma on a Sunday drive to Fast and Furious in no time. Alright, let's see what tricks these drones have up their sleeves. The ATTOP W10 is all about those advanced flight functions. Headless mode, 360 degrees flips, trajectory fly, and 3 gear speeds. It's like the drone version of a Swiss Army knife. Not to be outdone, the SOTAONE S350 brings 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and even VR mode. It's like the drone equivalent of a circus performer. I mean, who wouldn't want to see their drone do a high-speed rotation while you're wearing a VR headset? Just don't get too dizzy. When it comes to control methods, the ATTOP W10 is like a control freak's dream. App touch, voice, gravity sensing, gesture, and remote control. It's like the United Nations of drone controls. You can practically fly it with your mind. The SOTAONE S350 also offers gesture, voice, and gravity control, along with trajectory flight. It's like the cool, laid-back cousin who's good at everything without even trying. So whether you're a control freak or just want to chill, both drones have got you covered. Finally, let's talk safety. The ATTOP W10 comes with 4 propeller guards and high-quality ABS material blades. Plus, it has a low-power alarm and 1 key return function. It's like having a drone that's also your personal bodyguard. The SOTAONE S350 isn't messing around either. With low-power alarm, emergency stop, and propeller guards, it's like the drone equivalent of a helicopter parent. And it's foldable, perfect for those of you who like to keep your drones in your pockets. Because who doesn't? Both drones have received mixed reviews, with users highlighting different strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers appreciate the ATTOP W10 for its user-friendly features and sturdy build, though some mention issues with control and camera functionality. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 is praised for its agility, ease of use, and durability, although its camera and battery life leave some wanting more. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP W10 and the SOTAONE S350, two drones that'll make you feel like a pilot, even if you still have to ask how to turn on the TV. Both have their strengths and quirks, and ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you're looking for advanced features, beginner-friendly controls, or just something that won't crash into your neighbor's cat, we hope this comparison helped. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Also, leave a comment below about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.